Oh wait.
Tacos.
Yeah, we're eating tacos, and you're a shark. You're made of shark soup. I don't know. This is a electric shark.
No, shark food is not real.
Yes, it is. And you're a shark. Oh wait, you're raw, so we have to cook you. Go in the sun.
No.
Wait, first, he can die because how is he living up the surface? Also, I trained him how to go up the surface. Yes, I do.
No, you're
It
hurting.
didn't even exist that time.
Oh wait, you're speaking like Abra Cat, okay?
Literally, when you were a baby and I was a grown up, and then I had to teach you how to go up on ground to attack polar bears.
He's a liar.
Yep. I don't know. I just.
Even Elmer Shaw, he took a break to there and he showed me
How old are you?
training you.
How would I show you?
40 years old.
I was not even created that time. I'm literally like a 3-year-old monster.
Willie. Oh,
No, I'm
Willie.
just kidding. I'm
Willie.
30 years old.
I'm 3 freaking years old. Going to the beach and seeing you two, I'm acceptable.
Shut up. Real age. Goddamn bitch.
I'm a 3-year-old monster. He's like a 5,568 megalodon, and you're a 3,500.
30-year-old.
No, you're a. Wait, then if you're 30, why do you have that mustache?
Elmo.
Everybody grows
Yeah.
their mustache at 20.
Who are these people?
Those,
Our viewers.
yes, for some reason they're watching us so they can eat you, so you cannot be annoying. No, they should rip your voice command inside of you.
First of all,
He's getting started. Cheese,
instead of
cheese.
eating Shark Boy and ripping them, we should get 100 likes and subscribe.
No.
No. How about we get 10 likes?
Where?
Or I don't know how many.
All right, 10 likes for now. 10 likes for now.
Yeah, so
Who
you
are
can rip
these
this
people?
viewer, so they can rip your
Viewer.
freaking voice.
No, Stop. We are explaining. They're
Stop.
giving us 10.
I'm trying to say something. Where the freak are they so beautiful?
Who?
Because they're made
The viewers.
Because they made beautiful.
They were made by God,
Look at.
and you are like a shark.
What? They're saying what? What what they're saying? God made me beautiful. What are you?
A shark.
You're talking about your ugly.
No, it's
Crap! I'm trying to hungry. I haven't ate it since a week.
We're literally going to get tacos.
Oh no, I'm not trying to.
Nothing
we
like
have
a taco.
tacos. We're gonna get tacos.
Yeah. Wait. Open your mouth.
Nothing like a
Open your
taco.
mouth. Oh wait. And then probably put your mouth there. He's not gonna bite. You know why? Because you train him, right?
Mantente a la izquierda.
Look. Watch.
Still gonna bite me.
This is my flat arm.
He's
Look,
literally
see?
hungry.
Wait, go- just put your mouth. Yeah.
Uno de los dos carriles
Ah!
de la derecha.
I'm gonna eat you guys one day, and you're gonna be yummy as heck. You're gonna be seafood.
Stop fighting.
Wait,
You're right.
Elmo, actually, you won't be able to eat this. You wanna why?
Why?
I have sharp touch and she shark has a lot of teeth.
Yeah, but I can cook you too and make a beautiful.
I know, but he can buy you, and I can put my walrus teeth.
Yeah, but you're short. Ow! Don't do
Are
that.
you okay?
Yes. Wow, you're a very good helper. And okay, I guess we pause the video here. So.
No.
Yes,
No,
yes,
I
yes.
need to tell them something.
No.
Alright, well you're gonna tell
Too
them.
long.
It's not that long. Alright. Like, we need
Get off
12,
me.
we need 12 likes if we want this to be a series.
Get off me.
This is part 2.
Yeah, we're gonna eat tacos.
Why was he on me?
Or maybe I might eat this little guy for stopping annoying. Cheese. And this guy right here.
Oh, cheese.
Stop, please stop. I'm gonna cover my ears and not listen to you anymore.
No.
Okay,
On
stop
me.
fighting. Stop
Ow.
fighting. We need to wrap the video.
The
Yes.
shortest person here.
What?
Usa el carril de la
That sounded
derecha
so
para
wrong.
todas las salidas
what?
en Ruta y Rosa hacia Indiana.
Walrus, he's so short. Really, the walrus is so short.
Anyways, viewers, you should look outside. It's
Yup.
beautiful and dark.
We can't see crap.
And
Are you see the darkness, you idiot?
Well, we can't see lights, but yeah.
not my fault. I can see my better stuff with the light. Look at more light. Look at viewers. Look at lights right there.
Oh, that's nice. But yeah.
That's ugly.
I guess bye. I'm gonna do this quick because he's gonna hear and they're gonna hear. get this 10 likes and 12
12 likes,
no
everyone.
10 likes and 12 subscribers so I can eat the shark and the walrus.
No, 12
Bye-bye.
And 12 likes if you want this to be a series. Give me cheese.
Chop cheese. Get the football for the walrus and some arms and legs because he's so annoying. Get some shark cheese and me for them to get and get duct tape.
Elmo, stop the video right now.
Alright. And also, bye.